Hey guys, welcome on a video, and today I'm going to be going to American Corner and I'm going to be reviewing English on point, good guys, reviewing 3D printers. So I'm gonna make a montage of this video.
Nikola is going to tell you about. So the point is that this material you buy. So this is the plastic roll filament that actually is, like every roll of anything, and it goes through this nozzle, to this wire, to the. If you see the tip is the nozzle. So what it does is that the printer head, actually inside of it has thermometers that actually heat this plastic to a very intricate, I don't know,
210 degrees Celsius specifically.
Yes, and you can see two fans that are actually used to cool it down as the layers are progressing. So what you have is two axes. So the point is that actually what you need to do is you have the axis, you have the print head, you have the nozzle, and you have the plastic filament. Everything else is governed by the program. So the case part you can actually build. So you can build the model 3D printer.
Architecture, some are for medicine, some are for games, and some are for engineering. Specifically, let's say for engineering and mechanical parts, we have Fusion 360. And that's a very accurate program. It goes to the, I don't know, like fifth decimal when it comes to sizes. And they're used for, yeah, like I guess you could say this. This was made in Fusion 360. It's a very accurate model because of the clearances and because of the way they fit in. So let's say that can be built in Fusion 360. They aren't focused on precision. Like we can say that this was built in it. You can see that it's not really like a mechanical part or anything, just like for fun. And you can come and you can actually take a look at it. It's really visible. If you take a really close look, you'll notice that there's a specific shell around everything, that you can actually see the walls. That's what dictates the strength of the model. You can look at it here. Like you can almost notice the unique walls on it. That's what really dictates the strength. It's not so much about how much influence inside, not really not. It's those walls, the thickness of the model that says how strong it will be. So unfortunately, I can't hold the model into Pure at the moment because there's the current speed. It's not going to print.
You can see it though.
But you'll see the point.
You can see the little walls.
Basic settings of quality, as we mentioned, that's layer height. Currently, the given input type for this one is grid. It's a very basic infill. You just have to add some structure. But let's say cubic subdivision. It is printed like this, and you can see that it's not on the ground. It begins to go up. That's why there's no room in the beginning. But another cool thing about that is that you can actually merge things.
Well, one second left.
It's gonna be 1 second for a couple of seconds.
Makes sense.
Oh, I think I actually owe you an explanation.
So this is N.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I'm into teaching. That's what I do, and
Oh my god,
that's what excites me.
that's really hot.
Or for instance,
plastics
there is a
on
software
higher temperatures than that.
that allows you to
There's some
cut
printed like
the parts
almost
of
300
Google Maps
degrees.
and
But what
put
does
it
the
in this,
spray do? I
software,
saw you
and it
doing
actually
something
can print
later.
the part of a map, a 3D map.
The
Imagine
spray
when you geography
functions as
that
an
way.
adhesive because those first layers need to stick to the glass somehow. And there's a couple of options. There is heated base plates, and they get usually heated to about 60 degrees Celsius, and it helps with the adhesion. You can put printer tape. It's a unique type of tape that you just put over the glass, and it's a bit sticky, and it lets the model get printed. There is glue sticks, and my own favorite, stick hairspray. Oh yeah.
This feminine product.
This dinosaur doesn't want to go. Oh, there.
Got it. Because it's easier for him to just do this and then not clean it
this one actually
ever.
printed a lot better. You know what? We're giving this one away. I have grown to like this one.
This one is better, yeah?
You can fight each other for it.
Yeah. Okay, can you show them the model?
Yeah. 3D is that 3D artists like to share. Like, what's the point of making something if no one's gonna see it, if no one's gonna use it? And one of the great sites for sharing 3D models is Thingiverse. This is what it looks like. You open an object file, a scene file, a scale file, any format of 3D models. You open it in Cura, and this is what it looks like. It gives you a model of the printer, the size of the base plate, and you can align it, you can rescale it, you can rotate it, which is really not recommended. Never do that. You can make a brim, which is this. It prints one single layer around the base of the entire model to help it stay stuck to the glass. There's a skirt, which is essentially a thin layer. It's just like the first 2 or 3 lines without actually touching the model. And there's a raft, which brings up the entire model up a bit. It makes a small box for the model to get printed on. And which one you're going to use depends on what you're printing. For the FlexX, you don't need anything really. Like, you could just use the single line around it, and that's it, giving you room for the actually connected part. And as it separates, a new layer comes and connects it in between. And this is possible because the printer moves fast enough and cools fast enough for it to print a thin layer in...
Something we've been working on for over 2 years. 2 years. It's in the area of additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing. You see this object here? It looks fairly simple, but it's quite complex at the same time. It's a set of concentric geodesic structures with linkages between each one.
So we are actually done. It was extremely fun. I like this class. I might make a new video. I'm coming to the next class, maybe. So that's the end of the science vlog. So they said, like, in the next class, which I want to go, I don't know if I'm gonna film it or not, but I'm probably am gonna film it, like this one. It's about VR, so like the video, want to see that or not, I'll probably make it anyways. So this is the end of the science vlog, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!